today we are in the summer capital of the Philippines, Baguio City. We will not just roam around but also share interesting facts and little secrets about the places we visit. So the first one is Chateau de Maison. This beautiful structure was built with European-inspired architecture. Did you know it was originally designed as the rest house and now it is one of the most photographed in Baguio because of its vintage and elegant look. Next is the Ride Park. It is known as the pleasure grounds of Baguio. The horses you see here are from Cordillera breed. This park was designed by the famous architect Daniel Burnham, the same person who planned the layout of the whole city. Burnham Park, or the heart of the city. It was completed in 1909. Interesting fact, the entire park was named after Daniel Burnham, the American architect who designed the master plan of Baguio as the summer capital during the American period. That wraps up our quick tour and interesting facts about Baguio City. See you on our next adventure!